I never dreamed I'd be 10,000 kilometers away from Washington State on a tiny little island in the southern Philippines, building trash barriers and doing beach cleanups. Well, I just returned from Hagna Bohol where I was doing the same, and now it's time for the children's Christmas beach cleanup and Christmas party afterwards, and we got some special treats for them this time. Enjoy the video.
Hi guys, so please like and share and subscribe the YouTube channel, Cherise. Opo, Pakula. Hi, Uncle Richard.
Hi. Mabuhay! Welcome to the party, yes. That was last Saturday. Last Saturday I did a cleanup over in Bohol.
No clean up.
Well, let's grab some sacks and get to work, and today we got some chocolates from the USA. Yes, I got the calamari and the coconut this time. Everybody got one glove?
Yes.
Dahlia? Daffodil don't have a glove. Yeah, I did a cleanup over on Bohol with the Coast Guard and the fire department. JP. He's down there. Grab a sack, kids. Don't be shy. Here, why don't you put the plastic bottles in the clear one there? We got to pick up all this little stuff. Let's get to picking this up. That's what the fish are going to eat. Here's a little sack. There's a little sack. There you go. Let's start picking up some trash. There's all kinds of it. Look at this. Remember, this looks like a jellyfish to the turtles, and they'll eat it. So.
Hi guys.
This lucky person gets their beach cleaned a lot here. Somebody's been partying in front of this place. Holy smokes, what's all this stuff here? Okay, just set it down right there and fill up another one. Here's another sack. Man, there's a whole lot. We got to get that picked up too. Boy, lots of trash mixed in with this. You're doing good on the bottles. Wow, look at the pretty shell. It's a nice shell. Well, we got our lady kaboom holding it all back. December 16th. Check. Around. Camera pointed it up. There you go. Hi.
Kano po na kami. Richard.
Don't fall in.
Fish.
No, you don't want to touch this. Yuck. Yep.
Garbage.
Yep, garbage.
And this is
Yeah, it's garbage because it's a dirty bottle.
Oh, so many.
We don't keep the dirty bottles.
Yes, makakaon ang fish. Makakaon ang fish. Dani dang ko, Richard.
Yes, you know that. That's what they see. You eat this here and go, oh, well, me.
What is my name? Live. How are you?
Cherry.
How are you? How are you, Uncle?
I'm a little kapoy. It was a long ferry ride yesterday. Oh no, we're running out of sacks. Why don't you go down and get Daffodil's bottles with the bottle bags. More here. We got more trash than sacks today. I'm sorry. Who's the singer here? Boogs? Can you sing?
Carbin is the singer.
Who's the best singer?
She's singer. Yes. You never
Oh, it's Christmas. Well, we'll make a dent in it, but I didn't bring enough sacks. We can. Picture time. It's right across here. Okay, line up for the picture.
Grab the trash, let's go.
Christmas party na. Yeah.
Here, maybe you can squeeze it in this one. Okay, we're done. Mana.
Here we go.
We don't see the adults singing at the cleanups. Oh, we got more sacks here. We can't leave these. We got to grab those. Holy smokes, we got a lot of trash. Salamat.
Dress, I need a princess.
I haven't heard that one. Well, we didn't get all of it, but we got a good chunk. Okay, you can just leave those on the car. My hands are full right now. Okay.
Ipitsura daw tanang sao. Ang kulitan. Uy na ba nga? Dinan katutigas ng dami ko isa. Ang Paul Jepe. Butong ba butong? Oh, well done and cleaning. So please subscribe this channel and please like this video and don't forget to subscribe.
Hey. Oh, you weren't going. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Let me get a picture here too. And I just missed half the video. Giving out the tarsier monkeys and that. So. Need some spoon, cuchero, some spoons for the calamai. You got some there? Kind of dark in here. Take two pieces, whatever ones you want. Just take two. You're first. Grab two. Another one. Grab another one. Okay, everybody got their two? Then you can all have one more.
One more.
One more. Okay, you got takeout. Looks good. Thanks, kids. Susunod Sabado, I'll be here. Next Saturday, I'll be here too. Okay, just a regular beach cleanup. Thanks so much. Merry Christmas. Thanks so much. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye.